Hello, good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. Now, yesterday, children, we discussed some pre number concepts. You know, pre number concepts are concepts that we learn before learning numbers. ठीक है? For example, bigger and smaller. Now, let me take a pen over here and then we will start solving the exercise. आप भी जल्दी से अपना बुक निकालिए and then we will solve it. Now here, bigger and smaller. You are already aware of what is bigger and smaller, है ना? बड़ा object bigger, smaller object smaller. Now children, we use the term bigger and smaller for size of an object. Okay, so big and small, big and small tell us the size of the object. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ कितनी बड़ी या छोटी है. ओके, एंड वी यूज बिगर एंड स्मॉलर बिटवीन टू थिंग्स. जब हम दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हैं वी विल यूज बिगर एंड स्मॉलर. ठीक है. नाउ सी हियर, you have to, the question is that you have to tick the smaller object. अभी ये दो बॉल हैं, one is a football and one is a cricket ball. So which is smaller? Yes, so I am going to tick it. Then we have a jug and a glass full of juice. So which one is smaller? Yes, the glass is smaller. Very good. Then I have a bus and a car. So which one is smaller? Yes, the car is smaller. So I will tick the smaller object. Now, बाकी questions you will solve, okay, and show it to me. Now, moving on to the next page. Now we have bigger of the same size. Of the same size means कुछ चीज़ें same होती हैं. For example, our hands. This hand and this hand is same, right? So of the same size and smaller. Now see here, अब यहाँ पे jug है. On the left hand side you have one jug and on this side you have three jugs, right? So one is bigger, this one is bigger, है ना? This one is smaller, but these cups are same, okay? Now see the question. You have to compare with the object on the left. Tick the bigger object and cross the smaller object. Big object को tick करना है, small object को cross करना है. So let us see. Now here you have a mango और यहाँ पे आपको 3 mangoes है. Now can you see the bigger mango? Yes, this one is the bigger one, है ना? ये वाला जो है this one is the bigger one. So I am going to tick it क्योंकि question में ऐसा बोला गया है. So read the question properly. So I am going to tick the mango and bigger mango and I am going to cross the smaller mango. और ये दोनों same size के हैं. I will do one more for you. Okay, let us take the fish now. Now fish है यहाँ पे. And here also we have 3 fishes. Can you tell me which is the bigger one? Yes, the grey one. So I am going to tick the bigger fish and I am going to cross the smaller one. Now, बाकी questions you will solve the other questions. Okay? Now see biggest and smallest. Children, if you remember, I told you that we use the term bigger and smaller with 2 objects. जब हम दो चीज़ों को compare करते हैं तो हम use करते हैं the term bigger and smaller. But when we have 3 things, more than 2 things, ठीक है, दो चीज़ों से ज़्यादा. For example, I have a sellotape ring, I have this box and I have this. Now I will use the term biggest and smallest. सबसे बड़ा, सबसे छोटा. So now can you tell me which is the biggest object here? Yes, this box is the biggest. Now which one is the smallest over here? Yes, this sellotape ring is the smallest. Okay, so when we compare the size of more than two objects, we use the term biggest and smallest. Now see here, you can see the balloons also, biggest and smallest, right? The red one is the biggest and the blue one is the smallest. Now color red the biggest object. आपको क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? सबसे बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट को रेड कलर करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ काउ, squirrel, elephant and a cat. So which one is the biggest animal of them all? Yes, elephant. So मैं सर्कल कर रही हूँ, आप कलर करोगे. So you will color the elephant, है ना? आप इसको कलर करना, okay? And the gift box, which one is the biggest? Yes, the second box is the biggest. Very good, children. Round of applause for all of you. Yes, round of applause. Now next is color blue the smallest object. है ना? इसका color change करती हूँ. Okay? Okay, I will take the blue color. Okay. Now you have to color blue the smallest object. So in सब butterflies में से which is the smallest one? Think. Yes. So the third butterfly is the smallest one. So I am going to color it blue. Okay. Now in the candle also you will see which is the smallest one. Yes, the fourth one. So you will color it blue. Okay. ये आप मुझे करके and you will send me the pictures. Now next, children, yesterday we saw top and bottom. Okay. Now if I have like this, which object is at the top? Yes. So the pen is at the top, but the sellotape ring is at the bottom. Very good. So this means top, bottom. Okay. Now let us see the question. You have to tick the object. You have to tick the object on the top. So जो top पे है उसको tick करना है and cross the object at the bottom. Okay, you have to cross the object at the bottom. Now as you can see here, there is a tree. On the tree there is a monkey at the top. So I am going to tick it and I am going to cross the boy because he is at the bottom. Very good. Now यहाँ पे देखिए, there are two children on the slide, है ना? Now can you tell me who is at the top and who is at the bottom? Yes, children, the girl is at the top of the slide, so I will tick her, and the boy is at the bottom, so I will cross him. Now the other questions you will solve and send it to me and we will check our answers. Okay, children, that is all for today. Thank you for being with me and claps for being such good children. Bye bye.